Let's just continue putting everything back. Pretty much just this whole section needs to be filled with all the proper tubes and DESA valve and the air box and all that stuff. And then just going to put the drive belt and the fan clutch back there, fill up with fluids, and we should be good. So here what it looks like now. Everything is back in place. The airbox, mass airflow sensor, all the valves, all the piping in here, I think they should be all nice and connected. Same with the drive belt and fan clutch. Also I got the reinforcement that goes on the bottom bolted as well. So now just going to put the wheels back on, fill it up with fluids, and now I'm gonna try to start her up. So I finally got everything back in the right places, and actually put almost 6 quarts of oil now. Just waiting for everything to drip down to the oil pan, that way I can actually check the proper oil level. And I got the battery connected already, got everything charged, got my positive, negative terminal, and my positive goes all the way in this Yaro style through the cabin. Let me show you where it connects. So it goes all the way along these door in the interior under the carpet, and connects right up there where it connects with the engine bay here, and then come on, focus, and then goes all the way to the wire harness for the engine and starter. So yeah, just going to top off the oil again, prime the fuel system, and I'm gonna try to give it a first startup. I'm excited, really excited. Idles normally, actually. Wonder for how long. Of course, check engine light and airbag light, of course, that's why. But let's hear the engine. Everything seems fine. car has this weird looking blue LED lights, and up here too. Not a fan of it. Going to change it for sure, but for now let's see if she's drivable even. Let's see. No airbag. A bit rough, but sounds not bad. Oh, there she is. Maybe some air leak or something. Maybe because of the old gas, and probably also it's been sitting for so long. Just need to get everything circulated and to operating temperature. Also just probably going to give it a little bit of more of a warm-up. Probably gonna go and get my scanner as well, try to scan this code and see what this is. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my OBD2 scanner. Let's see what the code is. We've been disconnecting a lot of things, electronics, and the car has been sitting without a battery for so long. So it's normal, probably going to clear it right away, but let's see. Okay. Come on. BMW. Some weird codes. Misfires. Random misfire. Yep, most likely bad gas. Okay, so battery is dying on the camera. I'm going to recharge it now and come back and try to take it for a quick test drive. So I'll be back.